Hi everyone, my name is David from Lightex. Today I'll show you how to switch from your personal account, from your personal Instagram account to a professional account, a business account. So let's start. I'll just open my Instagram app and I'll press on my profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now I'll press on three lines from the top and straight into the settings and privacy. And let's scroll all the way down. I should see immediately the settings right here, the account type. Okay, account type and tools for professionals. Hit that and switch to professional account. Yes, continue, yes. Okay, and let's search what category this account will be. As an example, digital creator, entrepreneur, or musician, writer, editor. I will select video creator and display on profile if you want that to be shown on your profile when people will reach that. Let's press on done, and switching to professional account makes your account profile public. Anyone will be able to see your photos and videos on Instagram. You'll no longer need to approve followers. Any pending followers request will be automatically approved, so keep that in mind. Once you'll reach the professional, the business account, let's press on continue, and I'm almost done. I should be also asked to choose a region or a country, but the Instagram is changing all the time the settings and the location of those, so probably you'll be asked, probably you'll not. We'll see immediately. And now you can choose between being a creator and a business. I will select the business. Now it's up to you how you want to personalize all this. Let's press on continue, and now normally I should be asked to choose the country. Okay, me personally, I don't want to have that email shown, so I will disable it. And now you can fill up your information, like your business email address, the phone number, and also the business address. Let's press on this. In this way, I will link also the Facebook and the Instagram app. Let's continue. Yes, I will select my birthday from my Instagram, and you can type your street address here, the city, and the zip code. I'll recommend you that because that will influence your account region and the people that will reach you. Yes, I agree with connecting them to each other. Again, I'm selecting the Instagram, not now. Yeah, the address, the email, and the phone number are correct. Let's press on next, and now I can press on finish all this. Share logins using account center. Account center makes it easier to log in. Okay, sure. I can press on not now. It's up to you. Okay, sure, you can choose one of those. I will press on get inspired, and now that was it, guys. I'm done. All the steps are finished. On my profile is shown that I'm a video creator, and you can finish these steps later on as you want. But your account is turned on a professional account. My followers just increased because earlier that was a private account and I did not accept some requests, and now they automatically get accepted as I turn into the business account. So really hope this tutorial helped you out. If this helped you out to turn your account into a business account, don't forget to smash the like button, and of course, as always, leave any question down below in the comment section. Have a great day.